Hello dear friends, I welcome you to a practical learning course on road design using the Autodesk Civil 3D program. This course has been specially prepared for beginners who want to master the basics of road engineering. If you are a student interested in infrastructure design, a young engineer just starting the field, or a surveyor or geodesy specialist who wants to learn how road construction is carried out, then this course is a perfect starting point for you. Throughout this training, you will learn step by step the main stages of road design and apply the entire process, from the initial stage of the project to its completion, using the Autodesk Civil 3D program. What will this course provide you? In this training, based on the Learn and Apply methodology, you will learn the main functions of the program and gain practical skills by working on real projects. Starting with an introduction to the Civil 3D interface and tools, you will progress to more advanced topics such as working with topographic data, creating surfaces, alignment design, profile creation, corridor modeling, and earthwork analysis. Before starting, it is recommended to have some familiarity with classic AutoCAD commands and tools. If not, it is not a problem. Because in this course, we will get acquainted with the Civil 3D interface and the commands and tools necessary for road design. However, basic knowledge of classic AutoCAD commands will make your work in Civil 3D easier. To use this course, you must download the Civil 3D program from Autodesk's official website. Once you register as an educational user, you can use it for free for 1 year, after which you need to renew as an educational user. In this course, we will mainly use the 2026 version of Civil 3D. However, some of you may have 2022 or 2020 versions. This is also not a problem. You can comfortably follow and apply these lessons with versions up to 2018. In other words, there are no significant interface differences between the 2018 and 2026 versions. During the lessons, you will be provided with practice files. Sometimes we call them assignment files, sometimes exercise files. After downloading these files, you will have a folder that contains all the assignments and necessary documents. Additionally, if you get stuck while completing an assignment, you can use the Ready, I completed files to continue from where you left off without going back to the beginning. In this course, you will learn the process of properly designing a road with Civil 3D software. I hope this video course will be useful to you and you will learn a lot about road design with Civil 3D. Why should an engineer learn Autodesk Civil 3D? Civil 3D provides engineers with powerful opportunities in modern infrastructure design. This platform combines analysis and visualization with high accuracy. In other words, Civil 3D is an indispensable and powerful tool for engineers, designers, planners, and surveyors working in the infrastructure field. Civil 3D allows you to create intelligent 3D models of all kinds of infrastructure projects, such as highways, residential areas, urban planning, stormwater systems, and sewer networks. From the concept of the project to its final documentation, Civil 3D speeds up workflows and increases efficiency. That is why, as engineers, AutoCAD Civil 3D opens up great opportunities for us. As you know, roads are the lifelines of the modern world. They connect societies, stimulate trade, and make the movement of people and goods possible. From highways to urban street networks, every road plays an important role in improving quality of life and driving economic growth. Therefore, effective road design is essential for us as modern engineers. A road must be safe, durable, and functional. That is why this process requires serious engineering knowledge, precise analysis, and professional planning. In addition, modern approaches are applied in road design, including reducing environmental impacts, minimizing traffic congestion, ensuring safety, promoting alternative transport modes, and integrating public transportation. To maintain efficiency in modern road designs, Civil 3D is our strong tool and assistant. So, let us design the roads of tomorrow, the roads of the future, together today with Civil 3D. Welcome to the course. Now it's time to start learning.